I think Slack has taken over the world for quite a lot of reasons. The tech add-ons it have are fantastic. So in our organization, we've used Trello in the past and we've now moved to Jira. Jira has a tech add-on, which is used for project management. It announces whenever somebody has started a task, has put a task in progress, or has completed a task, which really helps with our organization automation. It's self-serve and it's an easy start. It's a product-led growth strategy where anyone in the organization can just start a Slack without having payment information, without putting in ABN or business information. And so it's very easy to adopt and pick up throughout any size business. Like I said earlier, the assumed functionality in Slack is incredible. It's so good that you don't even notice it. That extends to things like editing your own message. It marks it as edited. The online, offline status, you don't even have to think about that. It automatically handles that. And some of the other things it does really well is the video playback, even giant video files. It streams those really well. Self-sending files, it's not best practice, but I must admit I Slack files to myself just for the sheer convenience of iPhone, to computer, to laptop. There's never any delays aside from your internet speed. And it's so easy to pick up Slack because it feels like that instant chat or iMessage that everyone's used to. Some more reasons. Like I said, it's seamlessly cross-platform. It simplifies both remote and office collaboration. The easily linking of files and tasks from Jira and Trello, the seamless integration there. And if you're using Slack without any tech add-ons, give me a call because you'll see huge benefit in some of the tech add-ons you can have.